Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 on PC. So if you also want to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in my.exness.com/pa/. After that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Exness. Make sure you're logged into your Exness account. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find two options, real and demo. Make sure demo option is selected. Now after that, simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to see your accounts. So simply click on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here you'll be able to find the option for account information. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that you can see over here account information will be opened up. You'll be able to find your account information like nickname, type, leverage, free margin, etc. Also, you'll be able to find the server and MT5 login. So what you have to do is copy the MT5 login. Simply click on the copy option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now simply open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. You can see over here I have opened it. Now over here at top you'll be able to find the option for file. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option open an account. Now after that you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here first of all what you have to do is find your company. So simply click on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is type in Exness. Now click on the option find your company. Now after that you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for Exness Technologies Limited. Make sure to select this option. Simply select the option Exness Technologies Ltd. Now after that click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find three options over here. Click on the option connect with an existing trade account. Now over here what you have to do is paste the login that we copied earlier. Simply press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now after that simply enter your password. Enter the password that you created while creating the demo account. Now after that what you have to do is select the server. For that go back to the browser. Now over here you can see the server. Make sure to select the same server. Simply click on the option of server. Now what you have to do is find that server and click on it. Simply select the same server. After that click on the finish option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here your Exness trading account will be connected to your MetaTrader 5. Like this you'll be able to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 on PC. So that is how you link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.